Portable backup generators powered by fossil fuels are used by many people to provide electricity when utility power fails or because no other source is available. These generators can help to keep critical appliances on or to power a worksite, but they can also expose people to carbon monoxide if not properly used. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, about 85 consumers die in the United States each year from carbon monoxide poisoning caused by gasoline-powered portable generators. CPSC reports that most generator-related deaths occur in residential locations, and the top 3 reasons for using a generator among the reported fatal incidents were weather-related power outages, power shutoffs, and attempts to provide power to temporary locations, such as cabins, campers, and trailers. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas that is extremely poisonous, potentially causing death in minutes if one is exposed to high enough concentrations in the air they breathe. It is sometimes referred to as the quiet killer, as it displaces oxygen in the blood and deprives the heart, brain, and other vital organs of oxygen. To help prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, CPSC provides the following advice for using a generator safely due to loss of power. Never operate a portable generator inside a home, garage, basement, crawl space, shed, or on a porch. Opening doors or windows will not provide enough ventilation to prevent the buildup of lethal levels of carbon monoxide. Operate portable generators outside only, at least 20 feet away from the house, and direct the generator's exhaust away from the home and any other buildings that someone could enter, while keeping windows and other openings closed in the exhaust path of the generator. Check that portable generators have had proper maintenance, and read and follow the labels, instructions, and warnings on the generator and in the owner's manual. And look for portable generators that shut off automatically when high levels of carbon monoxide are present. CPSC also recommends installing battery-operated carbon monoxide alarms or carbon monoxide alarms with battery backup on each level and outside separate sleeping areas. These carbon monoxide alarms should also be tested monthly to make sure they are working properly and replace batteries if needed. These are just a few of the many things to know about portable backup generators and potential carbon monoxide exposure risks. To learn more about this or other indoor air quality, environmental, health, or safety issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.